Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone Redmi Note 13R with dual glass body design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.79 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, approximately 85.1% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9. Aspect ratio, approximately 396 ppi pixel density, 550 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate. And with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel wide-angle front camera located in centered punch hole. Video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of HyperOS screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.3 GHz dual core Cortex A78 plus 1.95 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Plus Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB, 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.6 by 76.28 by 8.32 mm, and it weighs around 205 grams, and the color options midnight black, ice crystal silver, light sea blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5030 mAh battery, with 33-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS L1, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, IP53 dust and splash resistant, infrared remote control support, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Redmi Note 13R has been priced for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 1,399 Chinese yuan, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 1,599 Chinese yuan, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 1,799 Chinese yuan, while the 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 1,999 Chinese yuan, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 2,199 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Redmi Note 13R smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.